Now we move towards the next topic known as parallax method. Parallax. What is the meaning of parallax? Parallax is the apparent shift in the position of the object with respect to one another. With respect to one another. It is the It is an apparent shift in the position of an object with respect to another when we shift our eye sidewise. How? Now I can explain how this happens. So, for example, if we make a dot in our front wall and we see that dot from one by one from our left eye or right eye, then we find the position of the dot shift. We find the dot is in the position of movement. This movement position indicates movement position indicates the defect in our eye, because in our eye each of our eye create its own image. These two images get coincide and we got a final image formed in on our retina or detected by in our brain. But when we see an object one by one from our left or right eye, then we find there is a shift in the position. That shift in the position of an object when viewed from one and another eye is known as parallax. And the method by which we can find out the position of a star or a moon from the earth is known as parallax method. This method is known as parallax method. First I draw a diagram, then I explain what I want to be. We take 2 points on the earth, A and B. First we see up first we place our telescope at A. We assume the light of the sun ray coming parallel to each other. The parallel light falls at point A. Now we start moving the telescope up to a fixed point P on any planet. At that position, we note the angle phi 1. Angle phi 1. X A P is angle phi 1. Now we move a distance small d from the point A and reaches at point B, we do the same process and we again note the angle. The angle is x1 BP is phi 2. The angle APB is the sum of angle, these two angles, because interior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. By using the formula, angle is equal to arc upon radius. Arc upon radius. Theta is equal to arc small d upon radius capital D. We know that theta is equal to phi 1 plus phi 2 d upon d. By knowing the value of phi 1 and phi 2 exterior angles, we got the distance of a planet from the earth.